In a world seeking hope, one figure emerged, bringing light and transformation to those who believed. This was the story of Jesus and the profound miracles he performed for his devoted followers. Among the many, a leper, outcast and desperate, approached Jesus. With boundless compassion, Jesus reached out, and in an instant, the man was made whole, a testament to divine power and unwavering love, inspiring awe in all who witnessed. On a barren hillside, thousands gathered, hungry and weary. With just a few loaves and fish, Jesus performed a miracle of abundance, feeding every soul until they were satisfied, demonstrating his endless provision and care. When a fierce storm threatened his disciples at sea, Jesus walked upon the turbulent waters, calming the winds and waves with a single command. Their fear turned to profound wonder as they recognized the master of creation. Through these incredible acts, Jesus revealed his divine nature and his deep love for humanity. His miracles continue to echo through time, offering hope, strengthening faith, and inspiring generations to come.